Hello, YouTube. Hillary will never win here. Second episode for the day. Once again, anybody who hasn't seen my first video, sorry for the 2 week break of videos. I was actually on vacation. Next time, it won't happen that way. I promise you, I will let you guys know ahead of time next time. All right, now on to my second episode for today, and that is free healthcare or universal healthcare, I guess I should say. Now, the country's also pretty divided on this subject in general about free healthcare, universal healthcare, whatever, or just the future of healthcare in general. Repeal and replace Obamacare. We hear that all the time from the Republicans. But what should it be replaced with? Is Bernie Sanders' plan of universal free healthcare a good idea? What do I think about it? Actually, in my idea, I actually think that's the best way of doing things is to have healthcare free. The current system that we have, and where you have to buy healthcare and buy plans, and then you still have to pay deductibles on top of that after paying monthly for years sometimes before using their service, makes no sense. It's cost inefficient, and it just does. Everybody will just not be covered. It's not possible that way. I mean, because I love to tell people this. People always ask me all the time, well, why don't they just pay for their healthcare? Number one, for one, prices are increasing. Not everybody can afford it. Number two, name one time in the history of man where unemployment has been at zero. There always has to be somebody who's homeless or does not have a job. Although there are services that can help those people, or somebody who's underemployed. It's just not possible. It's not realistic to think that everybody can buy their healthcare. Or, well, if you just can't afford your healthcare, that's your fault. That's not always the case. Sometimes people have other problems and they just can't pay for those things. So, in my opinion, free healthcare is the best way of doing things. We're one of the only countries, industrialized countries, where you have to pay for healthcare. It's just ridiculous. People die based on how much money they earn, or people lose parents or family members based on how much money they earn, or because they didn't have enough money to pay for their premium or for their deductible or whatever the case may be. Or maybe they had pre-existing problems in which the healthcare didn't cover them. Now, I know I sound like a typical Democrat. That's what you guys are thinking. You're like, oh, he probably supports Obamacare. Actually, I don't support Obamacare. I don't like Obamacare. I think it should be repealed, not repealed per se, but replaced with Bernie Sanders plans. Now, anybody who knows this channel knows I'm Bernie or bust. I'm always will be Bernie or bust all the way. So I 100% agree with Bernie Sanders. In fact, that's one of my favorite things about Bernie Sanders, other than uncorrupting Washington, is his health care plan. I mean, it's just ridiculous that we have to pay for it and that people are dying over this. This to me, this is not a privilege. This is not a privilege at all. Healthcare is not a privilege. It's a human right. Everybody has the right, regardless if they made good decisions or not, to continue on in life and to get maximum healthcare, in my opinion. But some people are just so greedy. They're like, no, I'm not gonna pay for that guy to sit on his butt so that he can live. That's ridiculous. No, you're ridiculous. You're also a selfish person. I hate hearing people that complain about paying taxes for others. Like, what kind of human being are you? They're the type of human being that if they saw somebody dying on the side of the road, but, you know, it may have cost them a few bucks to help that person, they wouldn't do it. They just keep on walking. Greediest type of people, worst type of people, in my opinion. If anybody knows me, that's one of my biggest pet peeves is greediness. You're a greedy bastard. And to be honest with you, you got and most of those people are also Trump supporters, unfortunately. Now, don't get me wrong, I support Trump in some things, but some of their supporters are retarded, especially when it comes to immigration. And it's just ridiculous. It's just ridiculous. Now, I know there's going to be a huge argument in the comments. I'm going to get called names. It's all right, no problem. I'm a tough guy. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. If you're new to my channel or you watch my videos but you're not subscribed, subscribe. Give me a chance. I post videos Monday through Friday. Other than that, past vacation. Once again, I'm sorry. And I try to give you the best videos, and I try to keep it down the middle. But I like to give you my opinion, my real opinion on things. So go ahead and subscribe if you get the chance, and hit that like button with your forehead so that I can help promote my videos and we can move forward. All right. So anyway, want you guys to have a nice one. There's one more video coming your way, and you guys have a nice day. Okay. Goodbye.